किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में होना, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं होना, खामोश क्यों हो जो भी कहना है कहो, दिल चाहे जितना प्यार उतना मांग लो, हो तुमको मिलेगा उतना प्यार मैं होना, किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार में होना।
Some of your best songs that you've sung, all the songs of Janeman were beautiful.
सौ दर्द है, सौ राहतें, सब मिला दिल नशी, एक तू ही नहीं। Shirish is he's a very shy guy. He just is exclusive. He doesn't talk to people much, and he has this very cunning instinct for art, and he respects people. He doesn't have any qualm approaching someone whom he likes or whom he wants to work with, which is a very good sign. Half the time people put themselves or cover themselves inside a shell, and they shell themselves away from talent just because they want to be in their own comfort zone. People have always known me for romantic songs, right, and high-pitched songs or passionate numbers. And people forget that I'm the same one who sang What is Mobile Number?
What is mobile number? What is your smile number? Can we have private party? What is your private number? कहाँ से तू आती है darling, कहाँ को तू जाती है? आके जाके ऐसे क्यों दिल को तड़पाती है?
और जीने के हैं 4 दिन।
जीने के हैं 4 दिन, बाकी है बेकार दिन। जाए 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 एक बार जो जाए जवानी फिर ना आए, जवानी फिर ना आए।
और निकल ले भैया संभल। So I've sung all those crazy songs also. Shirish, when he came to me, he did not think that okay, let me maybe use a multiple set of singers and create an ensemble of voices. He trusted that this is a man who has done so many varied things in his career. So I love the way he trusted me, and that's what I respect about him and I appreciate it.
We heard all sorts of rumors about Janeman. I don't know, it's been quite some time that whether Anu Malik actually composed the songs, or was it Rahman's nephew who composed the songs, and what exactly was the truth?
Well, Anu Malik is too big a genius. People do talk about him sometimes with a bit of contempt because of his eccentricities, which he also is aware of. Okay. But in my eyes, he's too big a talent, too big a genius, who has served music from the year 77, 78 sure, to as late as 2009 when he gave Metalli Dalli Ho Gayi. His career has been one of the longest careers ever a composer has witnessed or experienced. So I would not like to make any frivolous comment on who did what, because I was not there, I was not present in the functioning of creation of music.
When the song was created.
Yeah, I was only there when the song was ready and I was there to give it my voice. So Shirish probably would be the right person to ask.
Anu Malik, he's behind, I think, in a way, the way you started off, I think Sandesh Se Aate Hain.
Yeah.
One of your earlier songs which kind of really catapulted you big time, and even I think all the songs of Refugee were fantastic.
हर दिल जो प्यार करेगा आते जाते जो मिलता है,
आते जाते जो मिलता है तुमसा लगता है, हम तो पागल हो जाएंगे ऐसा लगता है।
ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में।
ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में, कोई आए जाए मेरे ख्यालों में।
अरे रे रा ए, अरे रे रा ओ, अरे रे रा ई।
Just love me, मैं अकेला मेरे चारों तरफ हसीनों का मेला। Aririra A, aririra A, aririra O, aririra E. Just love me, just love me.
And LOC.
ओ मैं कहीं भी रहूं, हर कदम हर घड़ी मेरे दिल में बसी तेरी याद है.
रब्बा मेरे रब्बा इस प्यार को मैं क्या नाम दूं.
इस प्यार को मैं क्या नाम दूं. बेचैन दिल को कैसे आराम दूं.
Great songs he's made
But Sandesi is something else.
because of the movie. Because of the movie, the theme of the movie, the concept of the movie was so awesome that he got an opportunity to make something great. And he's a passionate guy, really good guy. I've seen him at work. Till today, I'm not in favor of his eccentricities, and I always tell him that, you're such a great man, you don't need to do, but that's, I think, he's not pretending to be straight. He is a crazy guy, and he accepts it. So I respect that too.
Can you please hum a few lines maybe from Sandesi if possible?
सदे से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है.
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं तो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे.
And I think one more song of Anu Malik that is, I think, I'm sure that you must be singing at all the shows, and it has stuck to Shah Rukh Khan. That is Main Hoon Na, the title track.
खामोश क्यों हो, जो भी कहना है कहो, दिल चाहे जितना प्यार उतना मांग लो, तुमको मिलेगा उतना प्यार मैं हूं ना.
And even the Qawwali, what a rare song. तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो, तुमसे मिलके दिल का, 2 octave songs, and the song, and what great music. Main Hoon Na was another fantastic combination of me, Javed ji and Anu Malik.
हाय तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें. तुमसे मिलके दिल का है जो हाल क्या कहें, हो गया है कैसा ये कमाल क्या कहें.
In fact, at the recent Jima Awards, Sajid Khan was asking various singers if you can just kind of sing some of your favorite songs. So when Shankar Mahadevan's turn came, that came in the beginning itself, and he sang the Kal Ho Na Ho song, the title track. And when it came to Sonu Nigam, he said that मेरा जो favorite गाना है वो तो इन्होंने गा दिया. I think that's a timeless song. You got a national award for that.
I got a national award for that. Well, I don't. I'm sorry to say. I mean, with all respect to all the people behind it, but national award is not the epitome or not the ultimate award. I've seen, and I know, and I think you all know too. It deserves to be much more fairer than it is. So just because, definitely. So just because I got national award, that doesn't mean that I'm.
Sandesh, you didn't.
I didn't get a nomination. Nothing.
Yeah, even Filmfare you didn't get.
Nothing. Filmfare, not even. Well, awards basically are gifts. When you get it, it's fine. When you don't get it, it's okay. But national award, I would want our country's topmost award to be much more fairer and much more just than what it is today. But Kal Ho Na has given me another. It set another benchmark in all of our lives. Shankar Hassan Loy's, mine, Javed Saab's, Karan Johar's. It's very difficult to surpass that now. In that genre.
Javed Saab's lyrics, I think, were really outstanding. I think in a way.
He's such a brilliant writer who thinks like a saint and behaves like a politician. He's such a great brain. I learned so much. He's completely sorted in his brain. When you make him sit with politicians, he beat them all.
He does. We've seen his television debates. Yeah.
Absolutely, he's great. And when he talks philosophy or talks, he's like a saint. So I feel a great combination. That's why Kal Ho Na, however, happened in this world because of Javed Akhtarji's thoughts and all of our combined efforts and lucks. So that is one great song.
request if you can please hum a few lines from.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
Fantastic.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो।
One more thing, in fact, I just kind of had written on Twitter that I'm doing an interview with Sonu Nigam. So few of the fans of Himesh Reshamia were asking me, what exactly happened with Himesh Reshamia?
Frankly, I only read an interview of his in some newspaper.
Okay.
Said who is Sonu Nigam, and I just don't remember the content of it. In 2006, this is an interview that came.
Sure.
After that, he never called me up to apologize or say or clarify.
You sung many songs for him.
Earlier than that. After that, he never made me sing also.
But he's been singing himself.
Yeah. But the last I remember was an interview where he had, and that was the first ever comparison between him and me, and it started off with this article, "Who is Sonu?" and then some random thing that was happening in America, his tour and my tours. Basically, I've never spoken to him after that also, and he was never my buddy. He was a good colleague. We used to have a good working relationship. Beyond that, neither would he call me nor I would call him. He was not someone whom we would party with or get seen with. Wajid is someone Sajid Wajid I party with. Shantanu Moitra I gel so well with. Raju Singh, Shankar, we have drinks together. But Himesh was never on that level with anyone, not even just me, not anyone. If you see, he would never do this with anyone. We are in fact a much more closer group of people. So we've never really talked about it. It's people have good fun enjoying and comparing.
Yeah.
Let them good. It gives us.
Finally, what are your future projects? What are the kind of songs that we may be hearing from you in 2011?
I don't know. I don't get too many songs also because most of the songs that really are important, significant are they don't reach me. Before that, it has to cross a lot of levels, and so it's like I'm the last point of the river. Before that, there are too many tributaries. So the river, most of the water goes to the tributaries or the other sub branches. So I have sung a couple of songs here and there. Let's see if, when they come out well enough. I have to sing something tomorrow also. I hope I can do it because I'm really tired. Well, beyond that, my albums. I need this country to respect albums. Music for music real good music. And I'm working on some albums right now. I'm going to be doing some music for a couple of movies that have come my way.
You'll compose music?
Yes, I've already been given an offer. I can't disclose it right now because I made an anthem last year for the... No, I had made an anthem for the Mumbai Police and for the 2611 thing. So that was really highly appreciated because even though it did not... Really
right, we had carried it on the side as well, yeah.
So because of that, a lot of people have approached me for music. So I have a couple of things. Let me settle down in December. I think after December I'll be able to settle down and decide what I'm going to be doing. And besides the album, besides the music part, there are 2 movies that have come my way. So if I like the project thing, then I'm going to be doing those movies as an actor. And there is something that's happening in America to some level which I haven't been able to go that much. I'll go to America in January and then I will figure it out.
Fantastic. Thanks a lot. Finally, if you can please sing a couple of lines from Satya.
I've sung enough.
Satya?
I told you I don't have a great throat today. Look at my voice, it's heavier.
No, if you're comfortable. Satya, I think, is one of my all-time.
हंसती रहे तू हंसती रहे, हया की लाली खिलती रहे, जुल्फ के नीचे गर्दन पे सुबह शाम मिलती रहे, सौदी सी हंसी तेरी खिलती रहे, मिलती रहे, ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ सावन भादो सारे तुमसे, मौसम हंसते रहना. मधुम मधुम हंसते रहना.
Fantastic. So, as I said in the beginning, that one-of-a-kind singer, Sonu Nigam, totally leagues apart from any other singer that we have right now. I think maybe in the last 2 decades, as far as male singers is concerned. Thank you very much for being on Bollywood Hangama, and all the best wishes for your acting as well as music composing and singing career. Thanks a lot. That's all we have from Bollywood Hangama. Keep on watching.